This is the Unstable SMP, the biggest hardcore Minecraft server in the entire world. With tens of thousands of players online at any given moment, there are countless adventures to be had, each one pushing you to your absolute limits. You will make friends, only to lose them. You will build something beautiful, only to watch it burn. You will explore the aftermath of wars you've missed, discover places no one else has been, and meet players you've only heard stories about. However, there's one slight catch to all of this. On Unstable, if you die once, you're banned forever. And everything you've worked for, your items, your builds, even your friends, are all gone in the blink of an eye. And unfortunately for me, I just spawned into the server with nothing but 9 carrots to my name. What? Are you serious? You can't be serious, dude. You actually cannot be serious. You cannot be serious. Dude, I just spawned in. This is spawn? Dude, I'm on